Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you qualify to leave the beta. Check your current build number and verify a stable public release exists. Once done, make a full backup, local and cloud, so you can restore if necessary. Make sure you have access to the beta program page, release notes, and the opt-out form. These are the first actionable tools you'll use to trigger the exit process and retain control. Next, submit the opt-out request through the beta program console or your account settings. Include the device ID and any requested logs so the maintainers can process your exit cleanly. After that, remove beta-only apps and disable experimental feature flags to avoid incompatibilities. Install the stable release, then restore the compatible backup and confirm configuration files. Finally, verify you're on the stable build by checking the version and update channel, and then test your core workflows, sign-ins, and integrations to confirm everything behaves normally. Make sure to clear caches or reauthorize services if you see stale behavior. If problems persist, roll back using your backup or contact support with concise reproduction steps and logs. This speeds resolution and helps you return to full functionality without re-entering the beta.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.